Okay, so in this question number 3, we have two people heading in different directions and they both left at the same time. So person number 1 is going one direction and the second person is going the other direction. Now, the first person, it says they're going 40 kilometers per hour faster than the other. So the one that we know the least about, Sawyer, who we'll say is in red, is going to be X. And the person who's going faster, Armand, is going 40 kilometers per hour faster. So it's going to be respect to Sawyer. So it's going to be X plus 40 because we're going 40 kilometers faster than the other person. And again, we don't know yet what either of those speeds are either. And again, they left after 4 hours. Now we're trying to figure out Sawyer's speed, and it also tells us they were 400 kilometers apart. So I set up my table. I have A, I have S, and then I'm going to have my distance, my rate, and my time. So again, both of these people have been driving for 4 hours. So we'll put 4s in the time column. And then we just wrote the rate. So we said Armand drove 40 kilometers per hour faster than Sawyer. That's going to be X plus 40. And then Sawyer is just going to be X. Now we know from our equation that distance is going to be equal to our rate times our time. So if distance is equal to rate times time, I can just go ahead and multiply these two together. So 4 times X plus 40, that's going to give me 4X plus 160. And then 4 times X will give me 4X. So after 4 hours, Armand has driven 4X plus 160 kilometers, and then Sawyer has driven 4X kilometers. And so both of those added together should equal 400 kilometers because that's how far apart they are from each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both the distances. I'm going to take the 4X plus 160, and then I'm also going to take the 4X, and I'm going to set them equal to 400. So I go ahead and combine like terms. I'll have 8X plus 160. That is going to equal 400. Subtract 160, so I'll have 8X is going to equal 240. And then after that, I'm going to divide both sides by 8. So X is going to equal 30. So 30 is X and 30 is Sawyer's speed. So my answer is going to be 30 kilometers per hour.